For bedtime. Prepare for bedtime ni Diday. O, paano mag-prepare for bedtime si Diday?
This, ilalagay dito.
Okay. Okay, next.
This,
Diyan. Okay, sige na. Prepare na for bed. Okay, kita pa puwet. Good night. Good night, Diday. Okay, good night, Diday. Off light na.
yes.
Good night.